Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is John with Creative Promotions. In today's video, we are going to be curing a DTF print with our new DTF Pro V2 curing oven with air purifier attachment on it. We're very excited to use it, try it out. Stick around today if you have a curing oven or want a curing oven and see if this one might be a good fit or why it won't be a good fit for you. Let's get into today's video and check this thing out. Now out of the box, you will see this bag here that comes with this power cord, that metal bar, and those two screws. What you're gonna end up doing with that metal bar is you'll put it on the side over here of the curing oven. And what that will do is it'll allow you to pick up the oven top and let it sit open while you move the print or do whatever you need to do with it. The power cord, of course, powers the machine. So what we'll do right now is we'll set up the power cord and then we will set up the bar, and I'll show you how to do that in just a few minutes. Okay, so first thing we'll do is we'll get the power cord and we'll put it into the receiving end over here by the switch, right here. And then we'll turn it on. Then we'll get our little metal rod. Make sure that this side is facing towards you. Okay, once you got that all screwed down, you can go and test it out. Voila. One other thing about this oven, like I mentioned before, there is no manual that comes with it. So they don't really tell you that you have to set your curing oven to a certain setting in order to reach the Fahrenheit temperature you're actually looking to get. So what I ended up doing was reaching out to DTF Pro, and I was able to get a manual that explains how to set that setting for your curing oven. So what you actually would need to do is press and hold this button here, and you'll see this pop up. What you'll want to do is click on this until you see the CF indicator, which means Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now I've already done this, so you'll see here that it's marked at 1, but if yours isn't, go ahead and press the up arrow so that you can mark it as 1, and then press this button. Now once it's activated, you'll see that the red light turns on if it hadn't already been turned on by your Fahrenheit indicator, and you're gonna want to click it until you find SVH. Once you find SVH, this is where you'll set your your curing oven's maximum temperature at. I have mine set for 259 degrees. So that's what my maximum temperature will be for this oven. But once I have that set, I'll press this button here and hold it. And now we should have the curing oven set to Fahrenheit. What we'll want to do to make sure it's activated is turn it off in the back and then restart it. And we will then set our desired temperature and time. Again, since I've already done that, I'm not going to restart my curing oven, but I will make sure that I'm set at 248 degrees, which is my desired heat setting. I've found online with different forums that about 248 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal for curing the prints. So we'll go 248 degrees as mentioned before at 140 seconds. Now, the cool thing about this is once we have it closed, we can press up on this arrow and it'll start the countdown for us. Once we hear the beep, that's when we'll know the print is ready. Before I move on to putting the actual print in there, I want to touch on this knob. So this knob here, if you heard that click, what it actually does is it activates, I don't know if you can hear that little fan. It activates that air filter, air purifier, All right guys, so our oven is set now at 248 degrees. Again, it's at 140 seconds. This is the print that we are gonna be putting in there today. Check that out. Okay, let's put it in here. Now the heating element is gonna be that white bottom part. So what we will do is put this color side down so the blue side will be up. All right. I can lower this and start the timer. Once that timer beeps or the buzzer beeps, we'll go ahead and pick it up and pull it out. All right, let's check it out. Okay. All right. As you can see, it's cured perfectly. You can see that little shine on it. All the powder has been melted, and oh, it's a little hard to see. Well, the oven did its job perfectly. So all it's needed is to just pick out the shirt and press that on. It's ready to go. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video today. In my honest opinion, I do think that this oven is worth the investment. I believe it's just under $600. I know that sounds like it could be a lot of money, but compared to what most of these curing ovens go for, this is actually a very, very good price. Again, especially for, you know, the things that it comes with, like the air purifying system and the adjustable time and heat and the little arm that holds the top up. I think everything on it works really well. I mean, before we were having to use the heat press over here and just hover over the prints basically, so that would cause a lot of fumes and it would just waste a lot of time in regards to actually getting productivity done with the film prints. So this oven will save us a lot of time. Stay tuned in the future. I will be giving a more detailed review on it in case, you know, anything happens. I'll be able to tell you guys the whole story, how to fix it, and what to expect in the future after wear and tear and further use. Again, thank you guys so much for watching to the end of the video. Please like, share, comment. Let us know what you guys want to see in the next video. If you have any questions, let us know below. And we can't wait to see you on the next video. Thank you.